If you're still staring at the default green and red candles on a white background on TradingView, you don't have to. TradingView lets you customize pretty much everything. Candle colors, backgrounds, grid lines, all of it. I'm Isaiah from the Investor Center, and today I'm going to show you how to make it look exactly how you want. And if you want to know which brokers we think are the best for trading on TradingView, the links are down in the description. Selected brokers will even get you 3 months of premium TradingView free after you deposit. So when you first come onto your chart, by default, your candles are going to be red and green, and your background is either going to be black or white, and it is going to have grid lines on it. If you do not like these visuals, like I don't, and you want to change them to something different, all you need to do is right click on the actual chart itself and select settings down at the bottom, and then you have all of these different things that you can change. Now, I'm not going to get into all of them today. You can go through them and have a look, but the main things that people like to change is the canvas and the actual candles themselves. So to change the candles, all you need to do is click on symbol, and you can change the body color, the borders, and the wicks of each candle. I like to use something like 2 different shades of gray for my candles. So my up candles I'll do in a darker gray, and my down candles I'll do in a lighter gray. And then you can change the actual borders to match that, just so that it looks a bit more fluid. And I like to change my wicks to black, and right now that's made things look a little bit strange on a black background. But I also like to change the actual canvas to be white. I like it to be a solid background, and I like to remove the grid lines from my chart because I don't like all of the added noise. But like I said, there are many different things that you can change, including the sizing of the letters and numbers on screen, the coloring of the letters and numbers, the size of your crosshair. To be honest, the customization on TradingView is endless. So now you know how to customize your chart visuals on TradingView. If you found this video useful, subscribing genuinely helps us keep making this content. I'll see you all in the next one.